If you run a business, you already understand systems. Scheduling, inventory, billing, staff, customer flow. You already think in systems. Your website is a system too. The problem is most people explain SEO like it's a secret club. No secret club. Schema Markup is not magic. It's labeling. Schema Markup equals labels. Picture your shop shelves without labels. Everything is there, but people have to guess. Guessing slows everything down. Schema is the label maker for your website. It helps Google understand what each page is. What this page is. It doesn't replace your content. It supports your content. Supports, doesn't replace. Here's what that means in real business terms. When Google spends less time guessing, your pages get interpreted more cleanly. Less guessing equals more clarity. The schema types that matter most are simple. Local business, services, FAQs, breadcrumbs. Local business, service, FAQ, breadcrumb. Local business schema confirms your basics. Name, phone, and address. Name, phone, address. Service schema clarifies what you offer on a page, so the page matches the searches you care about. Service clarity. FAQ schema supports real questions customers ask. It works best when the answers are straight and useful. Real questions, real answers. Breadcrumb schema shows structure, like a clean menu that tells Google where things live. Clean structure. The rule is simple. Only label what's true and visible on the page. True plus visible. What usually goes wrong is copy-paste. Same markup everywhere, even when pages are different. Avoid copy-paste. If you want your website to read more clearly to Google, Schema is a clean upgrade that supports long-term growth. Clean upgrade. If you want help setting it up the right way, call 281-721-9422. 281-721-9422. We'll lay out options and costs. You choose what makes sense. Clear options, no pressure.